Obviously this is a very simple tutorial, but I couldn't find any information, any photos or anything on how the plate frame came off. Hello, welcome to StickShiftStudios. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Corvette C5 license plate bracket. And this is the license plate bracket that is from Chevrolet. It does not attach to the license plate itself. It has these mounting tabs on two on each side. If you look closely, there's two slots on each side that it goes into. The reason I bring this up is when the license plate cover is installed, you really can't see those tabs, so it's not that easy to understand how it comes off. But it's relatively easy. You just push in with a screwdriver and then they'll pop out of these tabs. So it really is that simple. Once the plate is installed, then you install the cover. To do so, insert two of the tabs on one side first. To do so, flex the tabs inward to get them past the plate on one side. Do the same on the other. And then push them in to place, like so. What's cool about this is this OEM plate cover fills the space between the reverse lights. Without this, there's a gap and it doesn't look as good. So this looks nice and flush, looks clean, looks great. Plate cover out, all you do is put a flathead screwdriver into here and push in on that tab out. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, StickShiftStudios, and please watch more of my Corvette content. Have a great day.